In the case of Amadea Angela Aquino v. Rodolfo Aquino, a unique family dispute reached the Supreme Court. The central question was whether Amadea, an illegitimate grandchild, could inherit from her legitimate grandfather, Miguel Aquino. Traditionally, Article 992 of the Civil Code has been interpreted to bar illegitimate children from inheriting from the legitimate relatives of their parents. This rule has long shaped the inheritance landscape in the Philippines, often excluding non-marital children from certain family lines. The Court of Appeals had previously disqualified Amadea, strictly applying this traditional rule. However, the case did not end there, as Amadea sought a re-examination of her rights, bringing the matter before the highest court. The Supreme Court took a bold step by re-examining the long-standing interpretation of Article 992. Instead of seeing it as an absolute bar, the court recognized the right of representation as a vital mechanism in inheritance law. This means that a non-marital child, like Amadea, may inherit from a grandparent by representing their deceased parent, regardless of the parent's marital status at the time of the child's birth. The court clarified that representation transmits the rights of the deceased parent to the child, and Article 992 should not block this vertical line of succession. This new interpretation marks a significant shift, expanding the inheritance rights of non-marital children and treating Article 992 as a disputable presumption, not an unbreakable rule. Despite this landmark clarification, the Supreme Court did not immediately grant Amadea her share of the inheritance. The court found that factual issues remained, particularly regarding the need for clear proof of Amadea's filiation to her alleged father, Rodolfo Aquino. Since filiation is a factual matter that requires evidence, the case was remanded to the trial court for further proceedings. This ruling is significant not only for Amadea, but for many non-marital children in the Philippines. By treating Article 992 as a disputable presumption, the Supreme Court has opened the door for broader inheritance rights in vertical succession lines, signaling a more inclusive approach to family law and succession.